Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is the role of media in providing job opportunities. Now, ladies and gentlemen, nowadays there are campus placement department in various professional colleges. Now, what is the responsibility of these campus placement departments or campus placement cell? They invite large number of organizations within college campus, depending upon the courses that are going on in that particular institution, and organizations hire candidates directly from the college. The campus placement drive is organized by a training and placement team. Different organizations visit college campuses, and then according to their needs and requirements, they hire different categories of students. For example, BTech, MBA, BBA, BCA, B Pharma, Polytechnic, Diploma in Pharmacy, and there are so many other such courses going on in different professional institutions. Now, it is a great responsibility on the shoulders of training and placement team that it must invite best of the organizations to the college campus so that students get properly placed in good organizations, so that after completing their degree and diploma, whatever they are doing, they are fully satisfied that yes, now they are part of a great organization and now they don't need to worry about their professional future. Now, this is the responsibility of training and placement team of the college. But one more thing is there. These colleges also need to tell different people that yes, some training and placement kind of thing is actually happening in their institutions, and they must try to convince other students who are about to join different colleges that yes, you please come to my college because my college is providing this type of facility. So if there is campus placement drive facility in my college, you don't need to worry about your future once you have completed your graduation and post-graduation and diploma and whatever you are doing. I will invite great companies within my college premises, and you will have to appear for interview within the comfort zone of your college. You don't need to go here and there. You don't need to go to different cities and search for jobs and appear in large number of walk-in interviews. We are providing you this opportunity right within the college campus. So it is highly beneficial for you. That's why in order to promote such kind of activities of college, there is a media relation department in every professional college. Or I must say in great professional colleges who believe in providing good placements to their students, who really care for future of their students. They have media relation department, and the responsibility of this media relation department is to be in constant touch with newspaper houses, with news magazines, with news anchors of that specific city or place where the college is situated, and they are in constant touch with these media houses, and they constantly keep telling these media houses that such and such kind of placement related activities are happening in my college. Some great organization is visiting my college campus and it is organizing campus placement drive. So they also invite media representatives during those campus placement drives, so that the media houses can properly highlight the entire procedure of training and placement that is going on. And sometimes even when students get selected, they highlight the photographs of selected students along with the name of the organization in different types of newspapers and technical magazines, so that common people can know that yes, some placement kind of thing is happening in this particular college. Now, why we actually need to tell these things to common people? Ladies and gentlemen, job is the major problem here in India. People complete their graduation and post-graduation from different institutions, but what after that? We all know that what is the scenario here in India. In very less number of cases, we get appropriate jobs according to our qualification. But when some good institution is highlighting its placement related activities through print media, through broadcast media, by contacting different newspaper and television representatives, this news becomes common in front of everyone. Everybody comes to know that yes, this is a particular college which is providing courses in these different streams, and not only they are providing courses in these different streams, they are also ensuring that their students get placed in great organizations according to their relevant qualification. So yes, we will also send our children to these institutions. We will also send our children to these prominent institutions. which are providing good quality education to the students. Along with that, they are also concerned about future of the students. They are providing good knowledge to the students, plus they are doing something for providing job opportunities to the students also. So there is no burden on the minds of parents that yes, if I am sending my son or my daughter to a particular institution, once he or she finishes his or her graduation and post graduation, after that I will again become worried that now I have to look for job opportunities for my child. No, I will be free from such kind of burden on my head, because the college is itself providing campus placement opportunities. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, nowadays parents also prefer those institutions which provide campus placement drive facility. Very rarely it is happening nowadays that people are getting their children admitted to those colleges which are not providing campus placement. It is only out of compulsion, otherwise there is no other genuine reason that they are getting their their children admitted to those colleges which are not providing campus placement facility. In most of the cases, people are always in lookout for those colleges which are having campus placement cell, which are having training and placement cell, because they don't need to worry about future of their children. Once they complete their graduation and post graduation, the college itself takes care of inviting great organization within the college premises and then placing children in great companies, looking after their great future after they complete their graduation and post graduation. And the role of media is very crucial here. Not only crucial, but it is only the media because of which people become aware of those colleges which are providing job opportunities to the students of final year. That's why we need to strengthen our media relation department. We need to strengthen media relation department of every professional college. Because only by constant effort of media relation department, whatever activities are happening inside the college premises, they get highlighted in print media and broadcast media by the mode of newspaper and television shows. And sometimes it also happens that the media representatives of a particular college, they also give a face-to-face interview to the representatives of television industry, news industry, that yes, and there they highlight everything about their college, that how the college is actually organizing placement drives, how the college is actually inviting different great organization to the college campus, and how the college is ensuring that almost 100% of students, they get properly placed according to their qualification. Role of media relation department is immense in professional colleges, ladies and gentlemen. That's why every professional college should try to first of all strengthen its media relation department. This is the only department by the help of which common people become aware that some great activity is happening inside the college premises. Only by the constant and honest effort of media relation department of a particular educational institution, common people become aware that some great thing is happening within the college campus. That this is the college where if I send my children, they will not only get qualified, they will not only get educated, they will not only complete their graduation and post-graduation and PhDs, but along with that, they will also get relevant job opportunities. I don't need to worry about future of my child once I admit my child in this particular institution. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the responsibility of media relation department of a college. That's why the media relation department of the college should be highly competent, and the college authorities, the seniors and superiors of college, the owners of the college, the administrators of the college, they should always try to strengthen media department of their institutions so that people can become more and more aware of their institution. And it is not just because it is not just to earn money. It is not about earning money, getting large number of students within your college campus and then earning money. You know, more is the number of students and more will be the profit of institution. It is not like that. It is not only the matter of earning profit. It is actually the matter of providing good job opportunities to the students. Because if the college is genuinely highlighting itself that yes, I am taking care of proper future of students and I am providing good job opportunities, the students will come willingly to that college. That college doesn't even need to promote itself more and more. Students will willingly come. to that particular institution that yes, this is the institution which is taking care of my proper placement in great organizations. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.